What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. This week, as you can see, it's sunny and beachy. I'm on Padre Island in South Texas. As you can tell, it's super windy, but it's 90 degrees and sunny. It's perfect. Gonna be a great video. Got some fishing, gonna do some camping, gonna do some cooking, gonna do some swimming. Let's get into it. Man, I tell you what, after 2 days of no shower, jumping in the ocean feels great. Man, check this view out. This is just gorgeous. It's so peaceful, it's so relaxing. I do have some neighbors right there, and then more right there. Typically, I would drive further down, get my own spot all to myself, you know, where I can't even see anybody. But the sand, I drove until I couldn't. I mean, the sand the sand gets super sketchy about right here, and I don't want to get stuck. I don't want to have to worry about that. So this is as far as I was comfortable going. So I stopped. I'm about 25 miles in. So I turned my trip odometer on at about the 5 mile mark, and I think I'm 21 miles in. So perfect for me. I do have to be up early to go fishing. So I booked the charter. They're about 2.5 hours away. So this is Padre Island. The charter is out of South Padre Island. So they're not connected. I can't drive to South Padre, so I have to drive all the way back, leave the park, loop all the way around, then go to South Padre. So it's all right though. South Padre, gorgeous spot as well. So I'm sure after I'm done fishing, I'm gonna go check out the beach and stuff. They got some turtle nests down there, so I wonder if I'll be able to check those out, at least walk around them. Maybe I'll get lucky, see some hatchlings trying to run to the ocean. Time for a little snack. Let's see what we got. This milk's so good. Guess when you think you're done, you're like, just one more sip. All right, time to clean this up, put this mess away, get everything back in the cooler. Probably go for a nice little walk. Sun's going down. It's still warm. I don't know how warm it is, but I mean, it's probably still 80 something degrees. It's still wonderful out. So put everything away, go for a nice walk. Whoop. Sorry guys, you're probably not going to be able to hear me. You can see how strong the wind is on my hoodie. It's a shame how much garbage there is on the beach. I mean, for such a beautiful place, I mean, look at that. Bottle, 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 bottle. I mean, I got some garbage bags with me. I want to clean up some of the junk that's around my site, but I don't think this is from people leaving trash at their campsite either. I mean, I think all of this stuff looks real weathered and worn. It's probably washing in, so all this stuff's in the ocean. It's terrible. Ruins places like this, and I mean, just imagine what's out there in the water. But who knows? Maybe I can find something cool walking on the beach. So I'm walking up on these people up here fishing, and I mean, this guy is jerking his rod so hard, he's about to fall off the top of his truck. I'm gonna spin the camera around and show it to you. Maybe I'll walk up and see if we catch something cool. You know, people have caught sharks on this beach, which is crazy. But check this guy out. Of course, as soon as I spin the camera around, he stops. So, he lost it. Oh, good timing, buddy, good timing. So those guys behind me, that's the guy that was fighting something up tonight. But I stopped and talked to him. And these guys are out here all the time fishing. He said last week he caught a 9-foot tiger shark right where he's at now. 9 foot. He's like, yeah, it's not that big. I'm like, I'm 6'6". That's almost 3 feet longer than me. I wouldn't want to swim next to that thing. But that's just crazy to think that right there, right where you're swimming, there's sharks. I mean, I don't know. That's just mind blowing to me. A 9-foot tiger shark, 9 feet. That sounds massive. Check that out. See a coyote on the beach? That's pretty cool. Not for my neighbors though. They have dogs. Wow, that was pretty cool. I saw a bunch of paw prints on the beach, and I knew that wasn't somebody walking their dog because they were in weird spots. I wonder what it grabbed. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today. If you look outside, it's getting nice and dark. It's about that time. I'm going to sit here, edit some videos for a little bit, call it a night, get up early, fishing first thing in the morning. See you then. Good morning, guys. Last night was probably the best night's sleep I've ever gotten in the camper. I mean, it was great. I had all the windows wide open, nice breeze all night, the waves crashing. But anyways, all packed up. Gonna leave the park now, head back into town, see if I can get some breakfast, and then make my way over to the fishing charter. See you then. Cleveland?
Oh yeah.
Cleveland, Ohio.
So you came solo?
Yeah.
Okay. What brought you down here, Goose?
Visit Texas?
Gotcha. Have you saltwater fished before?
What's that?
Have you saltwater fished before? Okay, so this whole bay system is called the Laguna Migrate. The average is about 3 foot. Okay? That big trout that little boy caught this morning, that's the biggest trout we've caught this year.
That's a big one.
That's a thorough. Big fish or ladies?
Fish.
In the fish world, the big fish are ladies and the small fish are males.
Okay.
So the counterpart to that fish, male, the big male is like 17 inches. The big male. The female, maybe 30 feet. Bunch of bait just pop up right now. Oh, hold on, give me your bait. Let me see. Let's get. Can't send them in camouflage. Up and wind down to your fish. Wind down to your fish. Wind down. Bring the tip down as you're winding. Now pull up slowly. Pull up. Look. Up like this. Up and wind down to your fish. Look at me. Look at me. Wind down. Wind down. Wind down. Only wind on the way down. Pull up slowly. Pull up slowly. And begin to wind and drop the tip down as you're winding. Wind, and pull up slowly. There you go. Just like that. You only wind on the way down. and pull up slowly. I'm gonna go get the net because I'm pretty sure you got your first keeper of the morning or the afternoon. Tip up slowly. I'm gonna get this out of your way. Just wind fast. Oh, that's my other line that's out there. Okay, cool.
It's right here.
Yeah, that's fine. Don't wind against the drag. Tip up slowly. Wind down to your fish. Tip up slowly. No more winding. Okay, perfect. Step over here, son. Wind. Wind. Tip up slowly. And get that line closer to me.
Awesome.
Oh.
Oh, it's still a Captain Marco.
That's all right.
Downright stupid.
Yeah, pretty much.
I mean, bobsledding on a track, I feel like would be crazy enough.
Sure.
And then to do it in a thing that's not a track, just kind of like, you know, people kind of just cut this way open by doing it would be
Oh, nice. Tip up slowly and wind down to your fish. And tip up slowly and wind down to your fish. Just like that. I'm coming in quick. Tip up slowly and wind down to your fish. That was a nice bite all of a sudden. Caught you by surprise. Step over here, sir. If the fish goes to the right, you follow the fish to the right. Whatever direction that fish goes, you follow the fish.
Okay.
It's turning to the left, or where's it at?
Right here, right in front of us.
Okay. Come to the right. Okay, that's a baby redfish. Come over here this way. So that's a redfish. You've never caught one. Dip up slowly.
I don't want to rip it.
No, you won't rip it. This is a strongmouth, a whole different species of fish.
There we go.
So this guy, this is a different type of fish. It's called a redfish. It's in the drum family, and these guys have to be 20 to 28 inches. Okay. It's not close to 20,
no.
But it's a nice, pretty fish.
Good looking fish.
Right? All right, well, just so you can get an idea how size it is, we're gonna measure it.
Okay.
All right, it's 16 and a half, so it's 3 inches shy.
Okay, cool.
So this particular area, I like catching redfish here, and we did catch a redfish, but we want to get you a bigger one.
The Texas adventure continues. I left Austin at about 5 a.m. this morning. I've been on the road for about 5 hours now. Have about 3.5 hours left to go. I'm headed to the western side of Texas, to Guadalupe Mountain National Park. I saw online there's a lot of really nice trails there, really nice views once you get to the top. Some nice places to camp as well. Should be a good video. Right now I'm currently driving through Texas hill country, and man, this place is just gorgeous. It's so cool watching the landscape change, you know, to a desert environment, with these rolling hills in the background. It really is beautiful. But without further ado, thanks for watching the video, and let's get into it. Guys, I'm about 40 minutes outside of the park. The drive-in is so beautiful. I had to pull over and give you guys a view of what I'm looking at. Check it out. Mountains on both sides. This is beautiful. I'm pumped to get to the park. I mean, if it's this beautiful driving into the park, what's it gonna be like when I get in? But 40 minutes left to go to get to the park. I'm gonna get back on the road. See you there. Check out this view. Sorry for the loud breathing, but my heart beats 185 right now. I'm just getting killed on this trail. Whew. Check out these cool rocks. It's like crystals in it or something. It's pretty cool. Guys, this is so cool. Check this out. Man, that is so cool. So cool. It's crazy steep canyon. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm probably half a mile from the top, give or take, probably a little bit further. And I've already thought about turning around 4 or 5 times. I miscalculated how tough the hike was gonna be. And I also miscalculated how much water I was gonna need. And only got about half a bottle left. So, but I'm on a ledge right now. Long way down. Wow. I love these desert mountain landscapes. They're so unforgiving, but at the same time, it's beautiful. But the good news is I'm in the shade right now, so it is a little bit cooler, which is making things a little bit better. But I want to keep on plugging away. So close to the top. So close. Check it out. And got this sketchy ledge to traverse to get to the peak right here. Well, we did it, guys. Made it to the tallest peak in Texas, Guadalupe Mountain. The view as far as the eye can see. Absolutely beautiful. Sorry, my loud breathing is probably overshadowing everything you're watching, but man, this was a tough hike. Tough. If you guys ever do this hike, Guadalupe Peak, bring water. Lots of it. Whatever you think you need more. I got a little over 3 hours back down, about 4 miles, and I got half a bottle of water left that I'm gonna drink right here, so I won't have any water left, and I'm gonna be racing the clock. Sunset is in about 2.5 hours, and like I said, I got a little over 3 hours down, give or take. I mean, I hope it goes quicker. Downhill's typically quicker, but this was steep, so downhill's not going to be as easy as it typically is. But I'm glad I didn't give up. I'm glad I made it to the top, and the views were totally worth it. Totally worth it. Alright guys, I'm not going to film on the way down. I want to boot scoot and buggy, get down there as fast as I can, and